Hello friends, my name is Gopal Shivajirao Chauhan, second year MBBS, Dr. Ullas Patil Medical College and Hospital. My today's topic is antihistaminics. Then first of all, atocoids means the self-healing substances. It also called as the local hormones or diverse substances. Atocoids, amine-derived atocoids are the histamines and serotonin. Lipid-derived are the prostaglandins and leukotrienes. And peptides are the plasma kinin and angiotensins. Then introduction of the histamines, meaning the tissue amines, mediator of the hypersensitivity and tissue potential injury physiological role. Then the primary site of this action is mast cell granules, skin, intestinal and gastric mucosa, lungs, liver and placenta. Other sites are the central nervous system, neurotransmitter, the fundus of the stomach, major acid secretogens, epidermis, gastric mucosa and growing regions. Then synthesis, storage and release of histamines, synthesized locally from amino acid histidine, metabolized by P450 system by two pathways. First is the methylation and second is the oxidative deaminase. Then in mast cell held by the acidic protein and heparin, histamine is positively charged substance. Then histamine receptors. There are the three histamine receptors in our body, which are the H1, H2 and H3. Histamine's pharmacological actions. Then the blood vessels. On the blood vessels, it dilation of the small vessels, arterioles, capillaries and venules. And in large arteries and vein is constriction mediated by the H1 receptors, increased capillary permeability and exudation of plasma. Then histamine's triple response curve. Subdermal histamine injection causes the red spot in seconds, flare, axonal reflex, indirect vasodilation and itching. Then the wheal, same area as the original spot, edema due to the increased capillary permeability. Pharmacological actions on the heart affect both cardiac contractility and the electrical events. Directly, it increases the force of contraction and both arterial and ventricular muscles by promoting the influx of calcium and increased heart rate by hastening the diastolic depolarization in the sinoatrial node. Overall, the H1 decreased arterioventricular conduction and H2 increased chronotropy and atomicity. Then pharmacological actions. Visceral smooth muscle, bronchoconstriction, intestinal contractions increased. On glands, gastric secretion by H1, sensory nerve endings itching, autonomic ganglia and adrenal medulla, adrenaline release and rise in blood pressure. Then central nervous system does not cross the blood-brain barrier, so no CNS effect on IV. Then pathophysiological roles of the histamine. Then the gastric secretion, dominant physiological role, non-mast cell, histamines, gastric mucosa, allergic phenomena. First role is the mediation of hypersensitivity reaction, antigen-antibody reactions, and as a transmitter is the afferent transmitter. It causes the itching and pain, inflammation, then the vasodilation in inflammation and adhesion of leukocytes. Histamine H1 receptor antagonistic. Then the physiological antagonism inhibit the release of histamines and pharmacological antagonism. Then first generation are sedating and second generation are non-sedating. The first generation includes the highly sedative drugs are the diphenylhydramine, dimenhydrinate, promethazine and hydroxyzine. Then moderately sedative are the phenylamine, cryptophytidine and meclizine. Then mild sedative are the chlorpheniramine, clemastine, cyclizine, etc. Then second generation are fexofenadine, loratadine, deslotidine, cetirizine, levocetirizine, ifstanin and rupatadine. Then antihistamines pharmacological action, antagonism of histamine and anti-allergic actions are Manifestations of type 1 hypersensitive reaction is suppressed. Asthma in human, not affected the other. CNS. Variable degree of the CNS depression depends on the individual drug's ability to cross blood-brain barrier. Anticholinergics are the many of the anticholinergics properties. Promethazine highest. Local anesthetic is the phenramine. Blood pressure falls in the blood pressure on IV injection. Then pharmacokinetics. Classically lipid soluble, well absorbed orally and parenterally metabolized in the liver and excreted in the urine. Then adverse drugs effect of H1 antagonistic. Frequent but mild interindividual differences, no different drug. Sedation, alcohol synergics, allergic reactions with topical use, peripheral antimuscarinic effect, dryness of mouth, acute overdose, atropine poisoning. Then therapeutic uses. Allergic reaction does not suppress the antigen antibody reaction but blocks the release of histamine. Then other conditions, insect bite, IV poisonings, symptomatic relief. Common cold, symptomatic relief, old ones are preferred. Then motion sickness is the promethazine, vertigo-cinnarazine, cough, chlorpheniramine, dimenhydrinate. Parkinsonism मध्ये promethazine, acute muscular dryness, parenteral promethazine, sedative hypnotics, in sedative hypnotics, then promethazine. Then in last we solve some MCQs on today's topic. Then first is the antihistamine drugs are the antihistamine drugs are the antagonistic for which receptors? Then answer is A, H1 receptor antagonistic. Then second question is which class of the antibody is associated with an allergic reaction? Then answer is IgE, A. In third question, in both the parent, if both the parent has allergy, then how much percentage chance is there that the child will also get allergy? Then option is C. So thank you everyone.